Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover Thermodynamics part 6, work done and heat transfer and entropy for various processes. I will discuss in this video. Closed system work for various processes. First, for constant pressure process or isobaric process, W12 equal to, just formula I am writing, P into V2 minus V1 or PV equal to MRT. I can write MR T2 minus T1. Then for constant volume process or isochoric process, W12 equal to dV equal to 0, so PdV is 0. It's 0. Next, for constant temperature process or isothermal process, work done W12 equal to P1 V1 ln P1 by P2 or MRT ln P1 by P2, or we can write MRT ln V2 by V1. For solving problem, this one is useful, this formula. And for adiabatic process, W12 equal to, or isentropic process, P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1 or MR T1 minus T2 divided by gamma minus 1. And for polytropic process, work done W12 is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1 equal to MR T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1. And for free expansion process, this is a irreversible process. Here work done is 0. Del Q equal to 0, heat transfer. Change in internal energy also 0. Initially temperature equal to final temperature. Free expansion example is expansion against vacuum is called as free expansion. For free expansion, internal energy is same. Next is entropy change for non-flow process. Constant volume process, S2 minus S1 equal to Cv ln T2 by T1. And for constant pressure process or isobaric process, S2 minus S1 equal to Cp ln T2 by T1. And for isothermal process, change in entropy equal to R ln V2 by V1. And for reversible adiabatic process, change in entropy is 0. And for polytropic process, S2 minus S1 equal to gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 into work done. Work done I already told. P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1. And in general, the entropy change of a gas for closed system is this one very useful in solving problems. They are asking problems, and that time we have to use this formula. GATE also they are asking this type of problems. IS also. T2 by CV ln T2 by T1 plus R ln V2 by V1. Then CV ln P2 by P1 plus Cp ln V2 by V1. Three equations are here. We can use any one. Whichever is suitable, that formula we will use. Cp ln T2 by T1 minus R ln P2 by P1. Three formulas are there for change in entropy. Then some important points about entropy. Entropy is a exact differential. It's a point function, and entropy is a property. It's a extensive property or depends on mass. Entropy change is independent of path. Clausius inequality. For a cyclic process, dq by t is less than equal to 0. If dq by t for a cycle equal to 0, cycle is reversible. This based on Clausius inequality, around 3 to 4 times they asked in ISRO. So this is very important. Next is cyclic integral of dq by t less than 0. Then cycle is irreversible and cycle is possible. And if cyclic integral of dq by t is greater than 0, cycle is not possible since it violates second law of thermodynamics. And for entropy change, ds is greater than equal to dq by t. If ds is greater than dq by t, then the process is irreversible. And if ds is equal to dq by t, process is reversible. This is also very important. In solving problems also, this is useful. And from entropy principle, change in entropy of universe is always greater than equal to 0. It can't be negative for universe. And change in entropy of universe is change in entropy of system plus change in entropy of surrounding. Change in entropy of system can be increased, can be decreased, or can be remain constant. Same for surrounding also. Change in entropy of surrounding, it may increase, may decrease, may be remain constant. But overall increase or overall change in entropy for the universe cannot be negative. It may be 0 or greater than 0. It can't be negative. This is entropy principle. Change in entropy of universe is greater than equal to 0. It can't be negative. Next is Gibbs function and Helmholtz function. Gibbs function is G equal to H minus Ts. It's for open system. And Helmholtz function F equal to U minus Ts. H is enthalpy, U is internal energy. This is for closed system. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.